We're going to do a video on Tesla stock, TSLA, Tesla stock analysis, and we've got a daily chart of Tesla here for you. We've been following Tesla closely, putting out quite a few videos on it, but it's turning into pretty much of a rout. This is a daily chart, 200-day moving average in blue, and as you can see, Tesla's down today, almost 4.5%, down $8.50, 29 million shares on an average daily volume of 70 million shares. But the number one thing is it's down to $188.58, which is bad news. It's making new lows here on this bear market decline, and that's not good at all. Let's go take a look real quick at a weekly chart, and then we'll go to an hourly. We can see it's headed straight down to that 158 level. There's just no getting around it, and it's not yet broken where we've discussed previously at this 179.83 level, but it's getting very close. It's within 10 bucks of it now. So this is your main support here, this 179.83 on March 1st of 2021. If it violates that 179, this stock's probably almost certainly going to go to 156. That's just the basic technical analysis, and of course it's all my opinion for entertainment purposes only, but that's what I'm looking at. This is your 20-week moving average, your 5-week moving average. This is your 200-week moving average. This is just a battle. That's all it is, and they're fighting it out, and they're going to see if they can drive it down here, and if they can, then this will probably be a buying opportunity, at least a short-term one. But I think they're looking at this price right here. I think they're looking to sell it down to the high 160s, and because I think they think it's overvalued. So who's they? People who are just in here, professionals and amateurs and everybody else, buying and selling and fighting each other. So I think that the big point is, if it gets below 179, that's bad news for Tesla. Tesla doesn't look good at all right this second. This is a weekly chart that looks negative to me. It's not horrible, but it's not good. For some reason, this just has a big red flag on it for me, this 159 mark. But we'll see. It's got to get through to 179 support. Let's go look at an hourly basis. You can see Tesla's falling away on an hourly basis, not trying to be negative, but just look at it. It's been below the 200-hour moving average since September 22nd, came and bounced right off of it. That means everybody looking at this said, hey, let's sell the heck out of Tesla. Let's take profits and let's sell it. And that's what they did. So, and of course, there's people shorting it too. But they used this 200 hours as a reference point just to bang against it, and that's what they did. They drove it up and they sold it down. But the takeaway is on this 200 hour is they never stop selling. They're just selling every rally just as hard as they can sell it and driving it down. And you can see the rallies are getting smaller and smaller. This was a normal rally. This was a short rally. There's no rally here, and they just dumped it. So not a good technical position for Tesla to be in, but that's the way it is. Let's take a look and see what we say Tesla will do today. And we're not saying it'll do it. We're just saying it might be a good idea to buy it. Tesla, we have buys at 189 and 43 cents. Let me check real quick on another screen and get the intraday prices for Tesla and see how it's going. Tesla's daily range so far, the low is 187.06 and the high is 194.03. So everything that the 1-day and the 5-day have been hit and are active prices. And so you'd have to check and see here real quick and see. It doesn't look like you could have made money on those yet. We'll see what happens. But the 1-day and the 5-day are holds, all for entertainment purposes only, all hypothetical. You have to do your own analysis. Can't use our entry prices for anything other than entertainment and our commentary as well, and you of course trade at your own risk. Let's go down here and take a look and see what RBM Research says from a trend following perspective for Tesla. Right here, 30-day Tesla. This can go buy, flat, and short, and it's got Tesla short at $223.80, and of course it's way above the market. So this was basically saying today, if Tesla rallies really good, then it's a good short. Obviously a negative indicator on Tesla for today, the 8th of November. So that's what we've got for Tesla today. You can get all of our information every morning for free at rbamresearch.com. Link in the description below. Free access, no credit card required. And we cover 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC, crypto, and most liquid futures contracts, algorithmically generated entry prices for all those, longs and shorts for everything, usually but the stocks, and some of the stocks, as I just showed you, do have some short positions. Everything's updated by 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. If you have a ticker symbol you want us to do a technical analysis on, please leave it in the comment section below. And if it's a big one we think people would like it, we'll do it for you. And keep in mind, everything on here is for entertainment purposes only. You definitely trade at your own risk.